Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here. You're gonna start to understand through something to connect buttons. First of all, what you're gonna do is about to go, for example, to one circle and one rectangle through this kind of this situation. So this is really to be satisfied with this. What we're gonna start to understand on this moment, as you can understand through this progress, as you can understand on so this situation. So really what you're gonna do is about to add this kind of real things. It's about to connect these buttons. So about to go here for prototype, control A, and as you can see square and the circle, and this will be about to give you here. And what you're gonna do after it is about something that is really hard a little bit, which is really about to go for prototype, then start to hover under interactions. If you see it, you can start to choose on hover or on click to find this interaction, but we can actually start to go for making a component on it, and then start to go for the interaction and started to do with this side, which is really about to setting this kind of as buttons to set variable, and maybe about on tab or on drag or mouse touch, and that is all about to help you.